Hello, fellow fish keepers, and whoever else watches this. I thought I would do a short update on the planted. It's been doing alright so far. One of the leaves of the coffee Anubias came loose when I was siphoning, so I just kind of stuck it in the driftwood over there. I don't know if that'll do anything, but maybe it'll get some roots in there or something, I don't know. But the only thing I've noticed that isn't good is that the oh man, what's that plant called? I can't remember. It's a really long, confusing word. But anyways, this one in the middle is getting a little bit of brownish, yellowy spots on it, and there's like holes in a few places. But I think that's only because I left the light on like one night, all night, and obviously I wasn't supposed to do that. So I think that's why that's happening, just too much light. Yeah, everything's really good in this tank anyways, other than that tiny little thing. I added, I don't know if you saw her yet, but I added a female beta in here. Her name is, oh there she is, her name is Khaleesi. And I guess she's gonna be the feature fish for this tank, because I don't have anywhere else to put her, and I really like her in this tank. I really like this fish. She has a lot of personality, and she eats from my fingers too, so that's really cool. But yeah, so she's probably just gonna end up staying in this tank, and I'm just gonna fill it with stuff that won't be, well, that'll go good with her. I want to do cherry shrimp or ghost shrimp. Either one works because I have a dark substrate, so it'll work well with both species. I want to add snails, definitely, probably like 1 or 2 Nerite snails, and that's gonna be all that I'm adding really for now. I'm thinking of putting maybe a small school of tetras or something like that, or maybe minnows, white cloud minnows, or zebra danios or something. But something to liven this up. It's a beautiful tank. I'm very proud of it anyways, and I really want some nice fish in here. But yeah, I'm definitely not going to be buying any more actual fish for a while until I can get this thing planted more. I'm gonna put I'm probably gonna move this stuff in the middle here to the side where it was before. It's just like a bulb. I haven't even planted it, so it's just kind of floating there. But I think there's a snail actually living on one of those leaves. I'm not sure. I'm gonna zoom in and show you guys. There's something there, way in the back there. See on that leaf? I can't really tell what it is yet, but that's probably a snail, which will be cool because then I'll have a free snail. I just hope they're not like those little nasty buggers that multiply like mad. But yeah, this is why you quarantine plants. You get little sneaky little things that'll sneak into your tank. And like these plants have been in here for a week, and I just noticed that little thing, snailish thingy, yesterday. So, you know, stuff sneaks in. You could have bugs or some kind of weird bacteria you don't want in your tank. Even though I did get these plants from a really good source, still, quarantine your plants. You might end up having like 62 snails in your tank when you wake up or something, you know. But yeah, so I'm gonna move that back into the corner. I'm gonna put some Java Fern along the middle. Probably a carpeting plant. Maybe take out some of the rocks. Really, the rocks right now are just there to fill in the spaces, just because it's not planted heavily. But once there's more plants in there, there's gonna be less rocks, and I'm gonna put some probably some Java moss on the driftwood. Try and tether some things on there. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that, but yeah, it's gonna be cool. So within the next week, I should be posting something, maybe Saturday, because Friday I'm gonna be going out and grabbing a bunch of cool new stuff, which should be exciting. I'm gonna see if I can get some more plants and some shrimp, and I'm gonna be working on my 30-gallon too pretty soon. I haven't really done much with it recently. I just kind of, well, when I got it, I set it up, I decorated it, put on the filter, whatever. So it's cycling right now, but I've been just kind of gradually taking the decorations out because I know I'm not going to need them in there. I'm going to be planting that one too, so eventually, probably sometime, maybe tomorrow, maybe tonight, I'll take out the decorations, the water, and I'll show you guys how I do my dirting of my tanks. Maybe tonight. Most likely Sunday though. I don't know, whatever. But yeah, so I'll be doing probably a video on dirting the 30-gallon. I'll probably pick up a couple other plants just to put in there for now, and yeah, we'll see how that goes. So see you later, and happy fish keeping. Peace.